Rescue Operation for Ginkgo. Hihi Manto, who stays at the outskirts of the Nian Woods at the foothills of the Cat Mountain, which is well known to all of you, commonly introduces himself as a prince of the cat town. And once he was tempted to carry out some evil plans.
Do you know that my name is Hihi Manto? But the saddest thing is that why does no one acknowledge me as the prince of this town?
Marry someone to become prince.
Yes, that sounds good. That sounds really very good. If I will make Ginkgo my empress, then I will be called as prince both in name and reality. So he is on his way to execute this plan.
To announce the most popular person in the town. So let's see from the list of 100 influential people. The first name is Nia.
My name is not Nia, but Neon. Did you get it?
No. Neander.
That could have been dangerous.
Oh, this is very unpleasant. I'm disheartened.
Well, I understand your agony, Neon, sir.
Oh, कौन? Hi, Ginkgo madam.
Are you okay, Sarakichi? Tell me, what's the matter? Where is Ginkgo madam? What happened to you?
Oh, कौन? I have only myself to blame for all this. Suddenly he came here. What are you doing here? Get lost!
Hey, Ginkgo. I want you to be my empress, and that's why I have come here.
Are you in your senses, you stupid oldie?
Hey, you, just stay out of this.
Huh?
Well, Ginkgo, you have to say yes.
I guess you must be talking in your sleep now. Just shut your mouth and go away at once. Winky Punch!
Now come with me, my sweetheart.
No!
Hey, don't you dare to touch her!
Let me go!
Oh, Ginkgo madam! Oh no, where's the plate on my head gone? Oh no, I'm feeling sick. Oh, I'm feeling dizzy. Oh, Ginkgo madam! So this is what happened a while ago.
Don't worry, Sarakichi. Everything would be okay.
Yeah, I hope so. Well, I guess there would be some spare plates inside the water. I must rush and do something to save my dear Ginkgo madam. I must do something and I will try my level best to save her.
Oh no, this is quite a serious matter. Neon, sir!
Is his plate broken?
Well, Neon, sir, I want you to help Ginkgo ma'am, who always does lots of favors for us.
Okay, I got it, Con. Leave that on me and please be rest assured.
Well, you are really very brave, Neon, sir.
Well, if I rescue Ginkgo, then I will certainly become more popular than Neander. Let us go immediately, Con.
Okay.
Hey, what's this?
Sarakichi, what happened?
Con, I'm really ashamed for all this.
I've got you.
Oh, tell me, Afro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, don't you know, Con, you shouldn't be shouting for help.
Hey, Niago, what happened? Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. But I'll just go to the classroom and come back. Wow, the back, Midori. Neander, ready to go! Well, don't worry, I'm coming! Oh no! Hey, you spider cat, release us right now!
Listen, Neander, you don't meddle in our affairs. Nobody wants to seek your help, and mind you, I am going to rescue Ginkgo.
No way. That's my job, you fool. Huh?
Leave me! Please let me go!
Ginkgo, madam!
Sarakichi, all of you!
A big hello to all of you. And I'm really thankful to you as you all have assembled here. And I'm really quite sorry for this rough treatment. Well, very shortly, Manto. Well, that's none other than myself, who is the prince of the cat town, will get married to Ginkgo. And you all are my uninvited guests.
What the hell do you think you're doing, Himanto?
Well, just behave yourself and be ready for it. Don't you know that the princess always accompanies the prince? Well, then guys, won't you congratulate us on our wedding day? Listen, Neander, after I get married to Ginkgo, everyone would recognize me as the prince of the cat town, isn't it?
Release us this very moment!
Well, I can't do that.
Stop joking now. I am the prince and not you.
Why are you so quiet, Sarakichi?
Well, no one in this jungle requires a prince, so just leave her, Madam Ginkgo. Do you get it? You stupid old dumb hee-hee.
So it seems that you are not happy with our marriage, isn't it, Sarakichi?
Listen, Himanto, if this is a joke, then it's a bad one.
This is no joke.
If you're planning to run away from here, it won't be of any use.
Ginkgo, madam!
Midori! Thanks a lot, Midori. Hey, Himanto, just leave her.
Don't mess with me, Fireball. He is really very smart.
Neander, shoot!
Well, I'm really ashamed, Neander.
Oh, why the hell does this masked Neander always come to rescue me? It is an insult to me and I don't like it.
I understand your agony, Nyansa.
Oh, Ginkgo, madam. I'm really very sorry for all this. I really behaved cowardly at that time.
What are you saying, Sarakichi? Well, I really trusted that you will surely come to help me. And you did come.
But I really feel ashamed I was not of any help to you, madam.
Oh, come on. Cheer up, Sarakichi.
So nice of you.
And we are indebted to you indeed.
That's okay, Ginkgo, madam. Now I shall take your leave.
Oh, this Neander, why did he come to help us? I did not ask for his help ever in my life and I will never thank you. Did you understand, Neander?
Nyansa, you are really very brave.
Viewers, it's time to announce the popular ranking for today. Well, even today the most popular person is none other than Masked Neander.
Oh, damn it. I was supposed to save Ginkgo, isn't it?
And the second most popular person is... Yes, you are absolutely right, viewers. It's Sarakichi, a frog.
Oh, how come Sarakichi has become more popular than me? I protest!
again.
So even this episode has ended in a total mess. And again, Neon couldn't gain any popularity. And on the other hand, Sarakichi became popular. But what will happen next? Will Neon's name ever come on the popularity list, or he will always strive hard for doing that? Keep enjoying and we will surely come up with something interesting as always.